Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Yesterday we solved question number 3 and 4 of exercise number 7.1, and today we are going to solve question number 5 and 6. So let's we start question number 5 of exercise number 7.1. Question number 5 is, line L is the bisector of an angle A, and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. And second part is BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ. Or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A, or B is equidistant from the arms of A. Let's we solve the question. And triangle APB and triangle AQB, and triangle APB and in triangle AQB, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is given, and angle APB is equal to angle AQB. Each is equal to 90 डिग्री. एंगल P और एंगल Q दोनों 90 डिग्री हैं. इन्हें हम एंगल P और एंगल Q बोलें या एंगल APB एंड एंगल AQB बोलें. इसके बाद AB इज इक्वल टू BA. AB जो है ये BA और AB ये कॉमन है, दोनों ये कॉमन साइड है दोनों ट्रायंगल्स का, APB का ट्रायंगल का भी और AQB का भी. सो ट्रायंगल APB इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्रायंगल AQB. किस रूल के तहत? बाय एंगल साइड रूल के तहत, AAS एक्सियम के तहत. अब BP इज इक्वल टू BQ, BP इज इक्वल टू BQ, ये CPCT ये कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स हैं कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स के. Dear student, now we will start question number 6. In below figure, AC is equal to AE. AC is equal to AE and AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Show that BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE. Now we will solve the question. And triangle ABD and triangle AEC, angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, that is given. Now adding angle DAC to both sides, we get angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle BAC, and angle EAC plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAD. Now in triangle BAC and triangle EAD, Angle BAC is equal to angle EAD. That point we already proved, and after that AB is equal to AD, that is given. AC is equal to AE, that is also given. Therefore, triangle BAC is congruent to triangle EAD by SAS axiom, by side angle side congruence rule or side angle side axioms. So BC is equal to ED, that is corresponding part of congruent triangles. So